Drift to sleep with the soothing sounds of Charmander. If you had some trouble drifting off to sleep, it could use some cute company. Pokemon has released an official ASMR video featuring original fire-type starter Charmander. The video includes the soothing sounds of a crackling campfire provided by Charmander. The Pokemon curls up next to the fire with you, just like if you were its trainer out in an adventure canto. The relaxing ambient noise comes from the campfire, but Charmander makes a cute companion until you finally drift off to sleep. Charmander isn't the first Pokemon to star in an ASMR video. For those who are fans of food sounds, Chespin has a video where happily sounds snacks on macarons.